Fuck that thing, dude. Oh! What the fuck, dude? Yo, my fucking ears, bro.
Yo,
Fuck you,
what do you
dude.
mean?
You're so fucking loud, dude.
What the? Turn your shit down, kid.
Dude, you're so fucking loud, dude.
Dude, I'm hyper Twitch hot, man.
Dude, I honestly hope you don't even fucking come, dude. Now that my ears are fucking blown out.
What the hell? I hope you get interviewed awkwardly again.
Yeah, I hope my fucking peen gets interviewed awkwardly.